Okay, good. So, yeah, stream ready? Wonderful. So the last session is who are you and what do you want? This is what I put as title here. Yeah, thank you very much, Bettina. I really liked the presentation and motivate your audience. So what I can tell you already is the winners will get a special gift, but we will not tell you what, obviously. Okay, then as a short clip, because I recorded them before. So this is again the QR code and the URL for uploading the pictures. So it's available over the internet. You can also upload it tonight. At the Augustina, but take care, don't take photos of Laurent. And so when you log on, probably some of you used it already. I mean, all of you used it for the poster, so it's exactly the same interface again. But the difference is that now I put you here, view here. And when you click on it, then you see the pictures that are already uploaded. These are the pictures that we have of today. You can nicely switch through them. And yeah, so this is this interface. And in the second stream, so in the second video, oh, sorry for that. In the second video, which is also running now, so there you can see how you can select the pictures. So you can just click on choose files, which was there a second ago. And so then you can click your photo library. It's also working for Android, and then you can just select the pictures that you want to upload. So this is what I'm doing here, and then you can just do upload, and then the picture is there. So it's really easy, and please do so, then everybody has the nice pictures. All right, good. This set, so now it's time for you, it's time for your posters, and we organized the poster presentation in 3 blocks. And the idea is that for each block, all the people that are in the block are coming here at the beginning of the block, they are lining up, and then you have 1 minute per presenter. Okay. Good. So who is now taking care of the clock from you guys? Someone? Okay. Good. Thanks. Yeah, so when I was listening to Bettina's talk, I was also having something in mind, namely this here. So these are also criteria for presentations. So it's about your language, how clear it is, how do you have notable patterns, repeating elements, your voice, articulation, melody, volume, tempo, pauses, interjections, and also your body language. How are you standing here? Eye contact, Bettina already said. Gesticulation, are you more standing like this? Are you more standing like this, which is not a good idea. And I just wanted to put you this because maybe you just want to try out some things just to make you aware of that you have a full potential of articulation possibilities at your hand. Okay, that said, I will not put more tension in the climax here. The first people are these, and so please line up here, and then you will have 1 minute time each for your presentation. So please just make a queue here. So those of you who are standing here, you can also see your slides in the back, so you don't have to look there. And so what will happen is, so we have next the poster, so we will show the poster big. So it's your nice poster that we'll start with, and then you will talk about it for 1 minute, and then we see, okay, the next person is coming, and so this is what will be happening here. And yeah, we are ready. 1 minute. When you are ready. 1 minute, there you see the clock. So it's set to 1 minute, and after 1 minute, the next person is coming. We also take pictures, don't worry. Okay. Good. So the presenter has here the next slide button, but basically you don't have to use it because it's clear. So I will keep this. And if you want to point to something, you can use this here. It's also working. I put it here. And yeah, I hand the mic over to you. Take the second microphone, so we have plenty. That's good. Are you ready? No. Everybody is eager to hear what you have to say to your poster. And here we go.
Hello. So unlike I'm the first person, but I'd like to open the field. I am Safaria Ahmed, and I've been to so many places, as you can see from my CV, but right now I'm working on pipeline vandalism, trying to use resilient IoT solutions. So what do I want from this summer school? I would like to know how we can use AI and machine learning to solve the problem of oil and gas pipelines, but most importantly in a resilient and cost-effective way. So right now, I'm working on the infrastructure layer of my work. I started just a few months ago, and hopefully with the knowledge I achieved here, I'll be able to make more improvement. Thank you very much.
Oh, very good. Very good. Yeah, you can pass the mic to the next person. So next person is Marcin Bilak. Next person there? Not there? It's you? Ah, perfect. Very good. Just in time. That's very good. And so you can see the slide also there in the back, so you don't have to look into that direction. You can look at the audience. Okay, so then we start.
Hello, my name is Marcin Bielak. I'm from Poland and I'm promoting IoT in Poland. I'm a researcher in IoT and AI. The most important things for me in IoT is protocols. Many subjects from this CV as very general, but my public research and presentation I share with you from this post, from this page. I'm building a robot with my colleagues, which using ROS robot operating system. I'm exploring digital twins, and if you want to talk about it, I share my knowledge and practical knowledge with you. Thank you.
Perfect. Okay, and so why did I introduce this session, or why did I really want to have this session? Because the most important, or a very important part of the summer school is always getting to know cool people. And so we have a lot of cool people here, and the problem is often that you don't know who's in the room until the last day, because then you started chatting a bit and then you know who's there, and therefore with the posters you know from the start, okay, these are the people, you can get in touch with them tonight, you see the posters hanging there, so this is a key idea about it. Okay. Are you ready? Yeah. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Ilse, I'm from Belgium, and as you see, I love fries. And the main focus of my PhD is helping application developers to develop IoT applications, and I want to make it able for them to make IoT applications without having to take care of communication with the IoT devices, so they can talk to IoT devices just as they talk to normal objects. Then what you can help me with is learning me more about IoT ecosystem modeling and IoT ontologies. And if you can help me with that, I can make my PhD better. Thank you.
Perfect. So you're all very well in time. Okay, very good. So then here we go.
Yeah, I'm Tu Li Chen from China. Currently work as a postdoc at Institute of Informatics at TUM. My research project is about battery management system for electrical vehicles. So the research is mainly to develop an in situ and really low-cost equipment that can be embedded in the system to optimize the operation of the batteries. And part of this project is about recording the operation history of the battery as well. So it will be rely on the techniques like Internet of Things, machine learning, and the cloud computing, big data analysis, and so on. So if any of you would give me some insights about these ones, it would be great. So I'm looking forward for further discussions with you, and thank you.
Thank you very much. And our next speaker, here we go.
Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm Cristiano Guzzi, I'm from Bologna and I'm software engineering and doing a PhD student, a PhD program in structured health monitoring. I'm trying to apply Web of Things technologies in this field, in particular in trying to solve interoperability issues between a lot of technologies of these research topics. And what I'm looking from this summer school is to know more about semantic technologies and more insight from the industrial side, and try to know how to design the semantic applications better and in a way that can be useful also to developers. And I work in a lot of projects, in particular in SEPA project, that is a semantic-based broker, and also in this one project that is an IoT project aimed to monitoring the environment and the consume of water in agriculture. Thank you, everyone.
Very good.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ana Maria Drăgulinescu. I graduated University Polytechnic of Bucharest as a telecommunication systems and technologies engineering, and as visual and audio engineering after the Master of Science. Because since I was a child, I was playing the teacher with my toys. I was very pleased to accept the proposals of telecommunication department to be an assistant there. I began to be interested in IoT systems and platforms since 2014 when I prepared my diploma thesis inside an H2020 project called eWall. After that, I continued with my PhD in IoT sensors, in IoT platforms based on LoRaWAN technologies. I am employed in many research projects, national projects, as a...
Time is up.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, here we go.
Hi everyone, I'm Mohamed El Moustadi. I come from France. I come from Toulouse, in the south of France. I'm doing my PhD with the collaboration of Automotive Industrial, Renault. I'm working on I'm working on the validation of ADAS system by simulation. I try to generate test case for sorry.
All fine. Take a deep breath.
I try to sorry. I try to generate. I try to automating generation of test case, of critical test case.
Yeah, it's also fine. Thank you. And the next speaker. Here we go.
Hello, my name is Oliver and I'm a PhD student at Chalmers University of Technology in Sweden and Kiel University in the north of Germany. And I'm working on centralized scheduling of wireless communications in the Internet of Things. And there we are especially looking at whether we can use stuff we learned from distributed systems now also in centralized systems. And yeah, especially for So as you see in the plots there, for low interference environments, it works pretty well so far, but for higher interferences, we still have quite a lot of problems. And the idea was to maybe be able to use AI, and if any one of you has some insights into that, I'm very happy to discuss that with you.
Very good. Thank you very much. And the next one. Here we go.
Hello, my name is Max, and I like to cluster things like is written there. I'm a research assistant and PhD student at the chair for database systems at the LMU Munich. Yes, the LMU, not the TU. And like I said, we cluster things, and specifically we try to solve something or break the curse of dimensionality by subspace clustering or even correlation clustering. And I'm looking also into deep unsupervised learning. Maybe there's a solution there, probably not, I don't know. And if anybody has some real-world applications for our super theoretical stuff, it's always nice, because sometimes I get the feeling it's getting a bit too theoretical, and that would be interesting data sets and things like that. I'm also doing a little project on IoT-based things with smartwatches, which is on the right there, down there. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you very much. And the next one, go.
Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi Joshi. I'm here in Germany from past 3 years pursuing my master's at FAU. The topic of my master's is medical imaging and data processing. So during the course of master's, I developed a lot of interest in machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence and all this stuff. I have had no past experience with IoT, but only with artificial intelligence. So the purpose of summer school was to know more about IoT. Currently I'm pursuing my master thesis, which is also related to deep learning, that is automatic sleep stage classification using EEG, that is brain signal data. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, yeah, very good. Thank you very much. And then we come to the next batch. And please, everybody line up here. Marco, you can take the phone already. Okay. So everybody is there? Good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here we go.
Hello everyone, my name is Cassie. I come from France and I'm a data science student. I'm really passionate about statistics and machine learning, and I'm currently working on building a model for bug prediction. The main reason why I have applied for this summer school is to have a wider view on IoT and how AI can make an impact in it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And here we go.
So, hello everyone, my name is Benjamin. I'm from Münster, from the University of Münster, and studying there my master's in geoinformatics, and also working there in an open source project called Sandbox, where we do much with environmental monitoring and open data. And yeah, that's also why I'm here, and I hope to get some input for ideas for little projects with IoT and AI for open source technologies, so we can use it for digital learning in schools, as we're doing a lot of educational stuff. And besides that, I'm also currently working on a crowdsourced sensor wiki somehow. And if someone has some inputs there, I would also be happy to get that. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Oh, you destroyed our furniture. That's not good. Okay, then we come to the next. And here we go.
Yeah, hi, my name is Timo. I think it's all about data. I'm a machine learning and deep learning enthusiast, currently enrolled as a master's student at the TU Munich. I did a lot of projects, especially in the medical area with machine learning, deep learning, but also in process optimization. And I think, or I'm looking forward to meet all of you and talk to you and learn a lot about IoT, because I think at the end I want to be able to combine IoT with AI, or with my AI knowledge, because IoT is at the moment quite new for me.
Thank you very much. And we come to the next, and go!
Hi folks, my name is Christian and I'm part of Mark Oliver's team, and when I'm not preparing summer schools, I'm basically working on 2 projects, which is on topmost is Decent, which is about decentralized energy production and consumption, and there I'm focused on prediction of load and production. And the second project I'm working in is about vehicle-to-vehicle communication. There we're working on an intelligent scheduler that allows us to predict, or for that we need prediction of future network bandwidth to optimize a packet scheduling and guarantee quality of service. What else to say? The current part I'm working on is a RNNs and LSTMs, so if someone can give me input and has also some insights there, I would like to discuss with him about that. Yeah, very good. So what's your name? Jesse. So, perfect.
Thank you very much. Okay, and the next. Here we go.
Hello everyone, it's the second Benjamin in this group, but I guess, we need to live with that. So my name is Benjamin Lutz. I'm a PhD student at University in Erlangen, and where I come from the manufacturing side, so I'm studying mechanical engineering, and I'm also working at Siemens as a PhD student. So I'm more coming from the industry side, and I'm now trying to see how can I integrate AI into these branches, because I'm working on machine tools, which is like a really highly developed kind of industry. People have been researching machine tools for decades. Now the question is, how can this technology be further improved using data and all these technologies? And there I'm looking mostly at time series analysis, so the LSTM topic is super interesting for me as well. And also the second question is, as this technology is so highly developed already, there's a lot of models available, how can this existing knowledge, this a priori knowledge, be integrated in my AI algorithm that I don't need to learn everything from the start? So that's something I'm super interested in. Thank you.
Thank you. And the next one, here we go.
Hi, my name is Jesse. I'm also interested in LSTMs, but we have this laboratory in Helsinki. On the upper right corner, there is a big rotor. I'm writing my master's thesis there for this research group studying this rotor. We're trying to predict from time series acceleration data how much it basically bends when it's rotating. And I'm very interested in talking about training LSTMs with simulation data, and then also with measurement data and overall LSTMs and what else I had there. Overall, if you want to talk about machine learning, I'm interested in the topic.
Thank you very much. And the next one. Here we go.
Hi, I'm Nasrin. I'm a PhD student and I'm from Iran. My research works are related to device-to-device communication, the application of energy harvesting in device-to-device communication, and also LoRaWAN in the IoT domain. But my aim of participate in this summer school is to understand and learn about AI and integrate the AI in my research and for the future of my studies.
Thank you very much. And we come to the next. Here we go.
Hello, I'm so glad to be here, which gives me the chance to talk with you. My name is Mohammed. I come from the Aalborg University from Denmark. I work on wireless communication for industrial Internet of Things. You know, industrial Internet of Things has a bit difference with the regular Internet about the low latency and the high reliability. This poster about Industry 4 is related to my work. I put all details in poster. I really request you to read it and give you your valuable comments. Only a few words about my previous project. I bring some toys with environmental sensor and gateway. I put somewhere this place, and hopefully in the end days we could take a look to the data. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And we come to the next. Here we go.
Hello, everybody. My name is Raven. I'm a PhD student from the Technical University of Munich, and my topic is actually the digital toolchain for hybrid manufacturing. Hybrid manufacturing is the combination of additive and subtractive manufacturing, and by doing so, you can create some crazy structural parts, for example, for aerospace reasons. And for this reason, I will create a digital twin in order to monitor the whole part during the process and enable pre-active process planning adaptation. And for that reason, I would like to implement some AI algorithms. My background is mechanical engineering, so for that reason, I have a big need for getting to know something more about AI algorithms and for object detection, for example, too. And that's the reason why I'm here. Currently, I'm working on my concept. So if you have any feedback for my concept and give me some new ideas, I'm really glad to get your feedback and input for my PhD. Thanks very much.
Thank you very much. And we come to the next. Here we go.
Hello everyone, I'm Luca. I'm a PhD student at the University of Bologna in Italy. I'm Italian, so yes, I love pizza and pasta, but don't worry, I also like beer and Wurstel. So I'm working on IoT interoperability, especially on the recent W3C standard for the Web of Things. Currently, I'm trying to answer to these questions about how I can represent the digital twin through the Web of Things and how can integrate AI-based Web of Things inside some kind of platforms, like one I already implement together with my colleagues. So I'm looking for AI inputs here in this school because I would like to work on what-if analysis and predictions, especially in industrial use cases. In the previous work, I also made some devices with LoRa for emergency cases. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So very good that everybody stays in time. Very good. And the next batch of people, please step in front. Okay, so the microphone is here for the first one. And we are ready when you are, so here we go.
So hello everybody, this is Abdullah Subehi. I come from Egypt. I'm doing my PhD in France in Telecom Sud Paris in collaboration with Andrea. Here I'm sharing with you the work that I'm most proud of. So it's in localization based on channel state information to MIMO antenna. And I got the first place in a competition, and I'd be happy to discuss that more in details with you, with any one of you. I'm interested here to know more about sensor fusion because you can do localization based on different sensor information, and to get my hands more dirty with AI. And most importantly, I'm very interested in knowing talented people and getting insights on what I did in my PhD and hopefully get some help or ideas on where can I go after, and hopefully in Siemens, because I'm thrilled to be here as I did my master thesis here. It was also on localization using the VLP16 leader sensor. And maybe if I can make it back after the PhD, it would be great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And the next one, here we go.
Yeah, hello, my name is Eric, and I'm in my master's in geoinformatics at the University of Münster, where I also did my bachelor's. And I work as a research assistant at the Sensebox project. So if you listen carefully, you may know that my colleague Benjamin is also here. And yeah, in my work, I've been doing various stuff. Along those is remote sensing with LoRaWAN, where I, for instance, installed air monitor at the city of Aachen. Yeah, I develop IoT solutions with microcontroller units. So in most cases, that is with Arduino. So I'm looking forward to doing that with Python. And setting up workshops for children to learn how to code. My goals are that I want to enhance daily lives using IoT, and I want to gather new ideas and approaches, and of course get to meet some of my colleagues in my domain, and yeah, get to know you.
Thank you very much. And the next, here we go.
Hi all, I'm Lanai and very stressed. I'm about to get my diploma in electrical and computer engineering from the University of Patras in Greece. This is a poster of my diploma thesis. So the goal is to design flexible and dynamic plant processes in manufacturing. And we try to do this using RDF descriptions based on product, platform, and process models. And after getting my degree, my plan is to start my PhD at the University of St. Gallen. And the goal is to combine multi-agent systems and hypermedia systems for the agent-based manufacturing system. So I just hope to gain a better perspective regarding agents and BDI agents maybe. So this is my largest goal right now. And
Thank you very
sorry
much.
for killing uniformity. I mean, it was in my spam mail.
And the next one, here we go.
Hello, my name is Yao Hin. I have come from IHP. IHP develop in the researches, make development and researches in the broadband communications. I have been working as a department total resilience systems and to develop intelligent solutions in the hardware security. I have been involved in very different field of development of intelligent systems, and I got to use to work on the edge of technical science to get innovation. I would like to get more experience in IoT and to apply this experience in practice. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much. And the next one, here we go.
Hello everybody, my name is Ciprian, I'm coming from Bucharest. I'm a PhD student. I'm studying 5G technologies and 5G optimization techniques. I have a technical radio-based background. I have developed my own MIMO SDR-based testbed, and I've made my master's and my bachelor thesis on radio and SDR systems. I've been working with a local mobile operator for 5 years, and I've used my technical expertise to launch the first 5G network, commercial 5G network in Romania, and also the first narrowband IoT network in Romania. I'm very keen to understand more about IoT and AI, and also to combine AI and IoT with 5G to offer a complete service. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And the next, here we go.
Hello guys, my name is Vladut. I come from Romania. I'm a junior software engineer working with Java. I basically work with real-time applications for a mobile network operator where fast response times are critical. Secondly, I'm a second year master student at the University Polytechnica in Bucharest, and I've just started researching in LoRa technology, and I'm here to find out more about AI and combine it with LoRa. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And the next one, here we go.
Thank you very much. Hello, my name is Jack. I'm very happy that I'm not the last one. This is very fortunate. I'm doing edge computing for factories because during an internship in Shanghai, I fell in love with factories. Things that produce things are just amazing. And therefore, I'm doing a topic about edge computing in factories and just the question where it is beneficial. And it's beneficial if you have something that you can actually calculate from data sources. And when is that beneficial? If you have a correct application for that. And that's one of the reasons why I'm here, to find out what kind of applications you have in mind, what are running there, what you like to bring down to the edge in a factory, what makes sense, and to get more impressions, because I'm a third-year PhD now, and it's very unfortunate that I understood this message of that a PhD means lifelong learning, that you have one time in your life where you can learn all the time, and that's one of the reasons why I'm also here to start this journey a little bit late maybe, but at least now, so we can all learn from each other, which I'm really looking forward to. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And last but not least, Stefano.
Hello everyone, I'm Stefano, but you can call me the one between me and a beer, but you can call me even Stefano, because I know that usually foreign people call me Stefano. So the thing is, I work in microservices, that are the thing, maybe someone of you have heard about it, for the Internet of Things, but I'm also working on a project, European project, that is called AI for EU. So it's kind of AI related. And the thing I want to know from this school is how to put a neural network on an Arduino, because I didn't get it. I don't know how to do that. And I wish that someone of you just tell me how to do that, okay? So I'm very glad to be here. I'm very glad to know all of you. And I think it will be a great time. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay. Very good. So yeah, very nice. And you were all giving great presentations. Congratulations to that. All right, so this brings us to the end of the content part that is technical today. So just as a brief recap, we started with the welcome, then we had the keynote by Chris Winkler and me, and we had the lecture about IoT protocols and middleware by Soumya. Then we had the lecture on IoT composition by Arne. Then we had the lecture about IoT semantics by Dan. Then we had the long-range radio for IoT by Laurent. And then we had the presentation of the student challenges, and now we are in the poster session. And the idea is that now you take some more minutes to walk around the posters. So it's now 5:45. So I would propose that you take now 20 minutes to do so, and we try to start here at 6:05. So we'll walk together. You will definitely see me, and we'll also share the position on the WhatsApp group. So what are we doing now? So we'll take the subway. So we'll walk with you to the subway, and then we'll drive to the subway stop Lehel, I guess. And from there, we'll start walking around a little bit. I think it's not raining at the moment, which is good. And go through here. And then our plan is to arrive at the Augustina Beer Garden at 8:15. And yeah, this is the plan for the rest of the day. So now take 20 minutes. The posters are over there. You know the people now. Start chatting to each other. And then make yourself ready that we can start about 5 past at the exit here and go down together. Thank you very much for joining the first day.